we have here the Masa Transatlantic TA-15. It's a small amp, handheld, comes with a bag, and it comes with a foot switch, and it has the ability to switch between 5 watts, 15 watts, and 25 watts. It also has the push-pull on one of the channels, so you can get rid of the master volume, and so it's like an old Fender. You turn it up to get more gain. And it has that classic no master volume sound. And then you can switch channels, so you can have the foot switch just boom, which is another small tube amp. They're like 2 little side-by-side tube amps. One of them you can set to get your clean tone, the other one you set. There's a lot of different settings. You can go high gain, you can go all kinds of different things. And so your other channel... clean channel. And then... right now I'm playing it through the 410 cabinet, right down there, just to show, and that's not even turned up all the way. But it's driving 410s, even though it's only 5, 10, or 5, 15, or 25 watts. Alright, but now let me show you, this is the speaker that I'm selling with it, is a... it's a film sound 12-inch cabinet, like retro from the 50s, and it has a Celestion in it, so it's basically like a Fender sounding thing, but also looks retro. And it has the vacuum cable, cable thing, which I put a guitar patch cord end on, and it plugs right in. And this one, let's start with the clean That's the clean channel with no master. And then you can go into the dirty channel. And I think it sounds better with the single 12-inch speaker. It just sounds amazing. But I just wanted to prove that it can push a 410 cabinet, which is kind of remarkable for a tiny little tube amp like this.